Sorry about that, buddy man. I'm sure we're good, or we're good now on YouTube. So, yep, Everardo, hello, hello. I'm not gonna do any joint live streams today. Pretty boy Al Ali, sorry. We're gonna see a pump and dump with XRP. Do you think? I don't know. So a friend of mine, CVO Crypto, says that he is absolutely certain that that Bitcoin, or sorry, XRP is going to go up to like $35. So I don't know. We'll see. Would you sell or keep your Solana so far? 30% profit. I would take some profits. I took some profits today. I took some profits last week and I took some profits today. Polkadot and Chainlink, what are your thoughts? I like them both. I like Chainlink better, but I think both have a lot of potential. Polkadot is really hot today. I would stay away for today. Well, no, that's not true. I would still get into Polkadot. Giandro, hello. Should I sell my crypto now? I don't think so. You should hold. So all good now. Okay. Crypto D. My teeth are fine. Yeah. Any ETH pullback this month? I mean, I have been saying since June that September was not going to be a good month. And here we are, we're in September, or we're about to enter September. And now all of a sudden I'm seeing everywhere people are saying September is not going to be a good month, which makes me a little nervous and a little bit concerned that maybe September, the whales are going to, the whales tend to zig when everyone else zags, is expecting a zag. So, who knows? Maybe September will just melt our faces. Is the XRP lawsuit over? I don't think so. So any ETH pullback this month? That's the question I was answering there. ADA have enough in it to run up beyond $3 if Bitcoin drops in September? No, I don't think so. North Korea, wow, okay. Go crypto, yes. How can I buy XRP? Like which apps? Uphold. You can't get on Coinbase. When the SEC suit is over, you'll be able to get on Coinbase, but definitely not Webull and Robinhood. Zilliqa, don't know enough. But at least $1 for Zill. What's the next big crypto in your opinion? Probably something I've never heard of. I mean, I've been talking a lot about Quant. Which is better, long-term hold Link or Quant? I'll say Quant. Expected Ether max price. I mean, I've been saying $15,000 this cycle. Be Big TCAP, I don't know what that is. Saying Bitcoin to 100K by mid-October. It's within the realm of possibility. We'll see. It's about $80 worth of Litecoin. Not sure if it's the best option, though. It's a good one, in my opinion. So, Mover, don't know enough. Will ETH be dropping soon for a buy-in? I believe so, but you never know. If you don't own any, you should be buying some ETH right now. Hello, ZK Pablo. I've been seeing the last 2 weeks of September will drop. We'll see. I'm already not going to be able to keep up with everything here. So I am live on YouTube. I'm able to respond to every question you ask on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I'll be happy to answer there. Hello, Elias. Up 297% on Solana. Hey, Nicholas, I think you should take some profits. I took some profits today, and I'm putting that into stable coins, and that's going to be sitting there for like 2 years at least, getting 9% returns. So Bitcoin ETH volume picking up, good. What's up, cool stuff on the web? XRP to $30 next year. So that's not me, but CVO Crypto says he has very little doubt that XRP is going above $30 within a year. Market stable, Pablo Invisible. I saw your comment on Twitter. I think that was you. Thoughts on Cirrus? Don't know enough. AMP this cycle, possibly $1. Is Hex good? It's one of these things, Thomas Goodwin, where I own Hex. I bought $500 worth of Hex in December, and that $500 is now worth like $10,000. And I could cash out at any time, but I'm staking until 2025. So my return on investment's phenomenal. Does that mean it's good? I'm not sure. Is it a scam? So, all right, thinking buying one whole ETH. Don't have any at the moment. You should buy some. Don't buy all. Don't go all in right now, but AMP, my thoughts, yeah, short term $1, or sorry, long $1. I'm very bullish on AMP. Yeah. Can we a phone chat for tomorrow? Not busy. Yeah, we can do that, Nicholas. Sold on my ETH at near 3,300 to pump today. Gonna risk catching a dip, put a limit order. Yeah, good call. Willem, what's up? Good to see YouTube growing steady. Yeah, thank you. Worst comes worst, I'll buy in at 3,500 at a higher price. And diamond hands. Yes, diamond hands. Although, what am I thinking? GameStop, their earnings report is next week, so that's why it's pumping right now. So Doge, Cola, nothing. Best place to buy an NFT. I mean, the most legit place is OpenSea. It's just the gas fees are really high. So Litecoin or Quant. I mean, I don't like Litecoin. I do like it as a short-term play, but I don't like its fundamentals. So I would say Quant. But hello again, Nicole long stocking. Ethereum buy always. Will ADA hit $3 in September? It depends. I think there's going to be a dip in September. When's it going to happen? Is it going to happen early or late? If it happens early, then yeah, I could see ADA hitting $3. When you buy stablecoins, do you automatically get 9% a year, or do you stake them? Automatically. Enter Polkadot right now. I think it's not a bad idea. Honestly, I could see Polkadot continuing to pump. Holding GME, there we go. Thoughts on XRP? I like XRP. I'm not crazy about it, but I like it. I've been saying $8 to $10 this cycle. Price for Solana? I mean, listen, when Solana was at $25, I was saying Solana to $200 this cycle, and now it's at 107. It got up to 130, and I'm like, what? I don't know. I don't know what to say about Solana. Is it only going to go to 200, or will it go higher? Bitcoin entry point for this year. If you see it hit the 200-day moving average, not the 200-day, the 20-week simple moving average, that's at like 42.3 right now. So thank you, M. Barahona. I don't do predictions on Quant, so please stop asking that. Quant does what Quant does. Quant's a beast. I made a video last week or 2 weeks ago about Quant on my TikTok, so check that out. Kishu, don't know enough. ETH in 2025, I'd guess between $50,000 and $100,000. Digibyte, what do you think about it? Oh man, I really don't know about it. I did a like not a deep dive, but a medium dive on it a few months ago. Hey, what's up, CVO? And so I just don't remember. I wasn't impressed. So VXV is on my list. It's on my list of things that I really want to do a deep dive on, because Crypto Weatherman made something talking about VXV, but I still don't know enough. ICP, not a fan. Still stand September 6th dip. Did I say September 6th at any point? It's just I believe that it'll dip in September. Take profits from Solana or hang in. Thank you. I would say take some profits. So also got 97% in ADA. Is that a 97% return, Nicholas? So okay, Jake Hammer, Safe Moon. Safe Moon's not gonna be. It's not going to do much for a while. I do think it'll go back to its all-time high, but not for a few months. So Nano, I'm not a huge fan of Nano. Where are you taking profits from this month? Solana. Solana has 4x'd in the last month and a half. So how high can we go? I mean, I've said 200 for months now, and now it's at 107. 200 seems low. How many X will VeChain do? Maybe a 10x. Do you recommend Luna? Now might be a good time to get into Luna. I definitely recommend it. BTT, not a fan. Anything Justin Sun has touched, I'm just not a fan. So, AMP to $1. Yeah, I think so. VRA. Oh man, I don't have a price prediction for VRA. I like VRA though, but I like Theta more. So, and again, there's way too many people on TikTok. I am live on YouTube. Head over to YouTube. I am able to answer every question there. My net worth is 6 figures. I have a chance. I think I'll go to 7 figures this year. Do you have a real job or just crypto? This is like a business that I'm starting, but I'm semi-retired. I have a grocery distribution business that I run. So, yeah. VXV, just, again, I don't know enough. So, PayPal calls, okay. Why is Chainlink sleeping? I've heard a lot of frustration about people with Chainlink, and here's the deal: it's doubled in the last 45 days. So, yeah, Adrian, I see your comment about Pi. I'm just going to keep doing it, and hopefully it will be worth something. Can you work for me? Not yet. One day, maybe. 1300 XRP and 105 ADA. Is that good? Is that all you have? I mean, that's fine. That's good. I think you'll do well. How old am I? I'm 39. Just starting out. Tell me what to do. Download the Voyager app. And yeah, Singing Bandit. That's a good point. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749, and you get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. Would you start the process with 20 grand right now? Joe, I would ease my way in, like $1,000 today, or maybe, I don't know, like $2,000 today, $2,000 next week. And if you see good returns on that, you know, just keep on going. So if you don't have any crypto right now, which one would you choose for your first purchase? Ethereum, Quant. Again, I don't predict Quant. So how about them Phantom? Phantom hasn't done much in the last week. I know it's pumping right now. HBAR predictions like $2. How much first $500 Ethereum? Recap, nothing. I'm just answering the typical questions. Yeah, Angel, ALE749, you got it. Should I take all my money out of stocks and go all in crypto? No, not right now. Now is not the time to go all in on crypto. But it is the time to go some in on crypto. You know, if you had, let's say you were 100% in stocks, I'd say why not take 25 or 40%, something like that. Yeah, Vet is sleeping. I see it, but I see that comment about Vet sleeping. I still think it's going to $1 this cycle. Bitcoin might see 44,000 bearish head and shoulders. I'm an on-chain analytics guy. So, you know, according to technical analysis, things are looking okay, or not that great right now. But on-chain analytics is entirely in Bitcoin's favor. So will AMP ever hit $1? I think so. Quant, again, I don't do quant predictions. Hex, yeah, I already mentioned this. So I'm up 20x on my Hex. And I'm staking it till 2025. And it's one of those things where it's like, all right, I mean, I'm up. I hope it doesn't go to zero, but is it a scam? It seems, given the volume of Hex, it just, something doesn't add up. So I'm just going to keep holding it. Again, I'm not a fan of BTT. Esther's at school. Good question. Should I buy ETH now or wait? I think you should buy some every week. So Hex making all-time high again. Yep. Quant does what Quant does. Yep. Can ADA compete with ETH after ADA upgrade? I think so. ADA and Solana, I think they're going to take some of Ethereum's market share, but not all of it. I think Ethereum will always be number one, despite their ridiculous fees. 40,000 XRP, paid 40 cents. What do you think? Do you think of the go-to? I mean, I think it's going to go to $8 to $10 or so. Do you suggest turning alts to USDT right now and then buy the dip? No, I don't play with that. And Ray, here's one thing I tweeted yesterday. I'm noticing that now, you know, I've been saying for 3 months that September wasn't going to be a good month and that we would close flat. And now I'm seeing everyone say that, to the point where I'm wondering if, you know, if the whales are going to zag when we're expecting them to zig. So how low could Bitcoin dip? Its 20-week simple moving average, like $42,000 in my opinion. How much one ETH would be worth in a year? 15,000 or so. Or well, within a year, 15,000. My tooth is fine. Thanks for asking another day. Is it a good month for DCAing? I think September is going to be a great month for DCAing, yeah. 20 Solana at 113, is that a bad move? I would have bought something else, Mr. Bone. Just whenever, it's 4x'd in the last 45 days. That's a little too hot for me to get in, but I think you'll be fine eventually. Will Aave rise? Yeah. After watching the video, it's fallen since. I mean, here's the thing: you've got to take into account everything that I'm saying. I've been saying September is going to be a flat month, and I still believe that. And so, you know, after watching that vid, maybe you should have waited for September to get into Aave, but I do think it's going to go to 4 figures pretty easily. Yeah, last 2 weeks of September is going to drop maybe. Is Mina Protocol a buy right now or wait? I think in general it's a buy, but we'll see, you know. All right, CVO will be a bad month after. I really want to read CVO Crypto's comment. after it's a great first, if that makes sense. So you think it's going to pump early. Guys, follow CVO Crypto, CVO Crypto on TikTok. His content is top notch. So he thinks it's going to pump at first in September and then take a dip. But then in October, like he's a huge bull, October, November, December, I would assume CVO, that you would say it's going to pump pretty hot. So CVO, by the way, we need to go live together. I know that you wanted, we talked about that last week. Not right now because I'm live on YouTube, but send me a message. Let's get this going. So FTM, do you know anything about it? Yeah. I mean, FTM. No, not as much. I thought you were saying FTT. You think Pulse Chain could ever be more popular than ETH? Maybe too soon to speculate. Way too soon to speculate. Yeah. But I don't think so. Yeah. All right. CVO says exactly. Good. Let's see. It's way too soon to speculate. So anytime I made a video about ETH, people are like, Pulse Chain, bro. And it just launched. It's like, yeah, we'll see. We'll see about it. So I hope I don't own any, so I'm not rooting for it yet, but I'll own some. All right, sell some ETH now for profit or hold. Just bought in at 1,700. Take some profits. Yeah, I'd say take some profits. What's my YouTube? World War Bitcoin. I'm live on YouTube right now, and I am able to answer every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. So, oh yeah, Ronaldo. Yeah. Stupid Manchester United. What will ETH be worth when the bear starts? Will ETH have a bear market? They're having their own. They're having their own. What am I thinking here? Their own halving type thing. So the amount of they're doing away with mining forever and going to proof of stake and cutting their production in 10th, which is way crazier than a halving, So, yeah, I mean. This bear market for ETH is gonna be pretty wild. It might not have a bear market. I'm not a fan of Tron. Anything that Justin Sun has touched, I'm not a fan. XRP is pumped. You mean it's primed? ETH or Bitcoin long term? I mean, gun to my head, I'll say ETH. The app is Voyager. Yeah, on hell, Voyager. XRP price predictions. I say $8 to $10. CVO Crypto, who I'm telling you to follow, says 35 to 50, and he's very confident about his predictions. Link prediction $200. What do you think about ICP? Not a fan. I mean, I'm not a fan of the team. The project is fine, but I'm not a fan of the team. What bear market? There will be a bear market. Yeah. Did you buy Pulse Chain? I did not. Should I sell my Solana and take a loss? Will it dump? No, I'd say hold your Solana. I mean, it could go lower for sure. It got way too hot. Is he answering TikTok questions or just YouTube? I'm answering some TikTok questions and all YouTube questions, which is why I'm saying, hop on over to my YouTube and subscribe to my channel. When do you think $8 to $10? Within a year. Cody, sorry, I don't know enough about Cody. I sold my Solana at 100. Will it drop below that again? It might, but I have no idea. Giandro, all right, good. If you own ETH, will it become ETH 2.0? Yes, it will. So is it mid-September when it's looking to go down? It depends on who you ask. I mean, I could see that happening mid-September. Yeah. I have 50K put into crypto. What should I put into it for long term? I mean, for me, it's Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Those five, and Quant. So VXV. Sorry, Danny Fresh. I don't know enough, but I'm happy that you're excited about it. I think you should. Sold my Bitcoin for ETH. Yeah, no complaints. Did you say CVO? V as in violin. CVO Crypto is the guy we should follow for XRP. Yes. Missed AMP question. Will it go to 20 cents anytime soon? I think so. I've been disappointed with AMP over the last few weeks or so, but yeah, I think it'll go higher. How do you feel about Lumens, Stellar Lumens, XLM? I love XLM. I like all of those. XDC, XRP, XLM. XLM is going to exist for a long time. Sandbox, I really don't know enough about Sandbox. $2 for HBAR. Is HBAR going to pull a Matic as in like what, pump? I think so. Yeah, CVO. Price prediction for Quant in 5 years. I mean, all right, I'll say this decade. I honestly could see Quant hitting 5 figures. So buy Crow now or DCA in September. Buy some now. DCA as well. ADA just went up. What did ADA go to? It's at 279. All right, do you think it's going down or now going to $3 in the next few days? I don't think it's. We'll see. That's such a difficult thing to predict. It's at 279. Of course, it could go to $3. I like Polkadot. Yes, I got into crypto in 2013. Have you released your course yet? I haven't even started working on my course yet. Yeah, ADA. What could AMP and VET reach this year? Both $1. You think KuCoin will make it like BNB? KuCoin and Crypto.com are the closest competitors to BNB, so I could see them doing well. But we'll see. Solana's scorching hot. I would say stay away from Solana. Code for Bitcoin? What? Do you have a price prediction for XLM? $2 or so, $3. Solana has been topping. You think it will go much further? Look at Solana's chart. And those of you who are asking about Solana, what's making it pump this much? That's a good question. I think it has to do with NFTs, because there are Solana NFTs on OpenSea, and so that's becoming a lot more attractive for people. I think DOT at 30 is still a good buy. But what was that question that I was answering already? Oh, look at Solana's chart. Today, it's at 109 right now. Today, it topped out at 130. To me, that's a sign that it just got way too hot. I think Litecoin is a good buy right now. To me, it's a sign that it just got way too hot, and it had a mini blow off. I wouldn't say like a huge blow off, just a mini blow off top. Does that mean it's over for Solana? No. But yeah, September's upon us, predicting the 6th as a turning point. Somebody already asked me that question, and I don't know if I said the 6th in a different video, but I have no idea. I think at some point September is going to test that 20-week simple moving average, which is at $42,000. Where should I stake? PancakeSwap.finance. Are you taking profits this month? If so, how much and when? I took profits in Solana today, and those profits will stay in stable coins until 2023 at least. So, all right, let's see. Do you have a price prediction for XLM at $2? I answered that already. Sounds like people are asking if you bought Pulse Chain. I hope no one has, because it's not released yet. There we go. All right, copycats. Are you taking up? Answered that. I answered that one. Is the plan for crypto crash 2022, goes low as 2024, rise 2025? No, it depends on the crypto another day, and that's what I'll be covering in the course that I will make. Voyager code ALE749. ALE749. Typing it in there. ALE749. So it's different for every crypto. Bitcoin's pretty easy to predict here, in my opinion. Sorry about the letters on my shirt making the chat annoying. Not going to really do much about it. So Bitcoin in a bear market always goes down to its 200-week simple moving average. So what's that going to be? It just depends on how high Bitcoin goes. So I'm going to wait to buy Bitcoin in the bear market within, once it gets anywhere near that 200-week moving average. So my wife went to OSU, so I'm a fan. Yeah, Voyager doesn't work in the UK. Sorry. Pay attention to ETH. Doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. When ETH hits 4K, correction time 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. All right. I saw your video about that. So, all right. How often do you go live? I try to go live every day. Multivac, don't know. I don't know enough about it. All right. What do you think about Arsenal Football Club? I think they're kind of lame. Man, they've just been on such a decline. It's like, what do I say? What do you say? 4:30 a.m. here in Melbourne. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you for your commitment there. 8:32 p.m. in Europe, I'm assuming. ETH Bitcoin decoupling, maybe. Holochain, I like Holochain. I think Holochain has a potential of 10-20x from here. Best place to buy HBAR, Voyager. VXV still, again, don't know enough. So DOT or Link and why? Man, Chainlink is a long-term hold for me and Polkadot is not. That's the thing that I'll say. And Chainlink is like, all right, here's an analogy. I'm sure plenty of you have heard this before. The people who made a lot of money during the gold rush were the shoveler, the people who made shovels. Those were the ones who made a ton of money. You know, a few people made a lot of money off of gold during the gold rush in the 1840s, whatever. But the ones who made the shovels were the ones who made the money. And that's what Chainlink is. So bear market month prediction, 42,000. How many coins would you spread $800? One or two, Cool Stuff Web. So you see the video, Loose Sassel. I don't know who Loose Sassel is. Price prediction for H-bar, $2. And Polkadot and Chainlink both around $200. Should I still DCA ETH and Quant Weekly? I would say so, yeah. Where to buy Hex? I'm able to buy it on Trust Wallet. So best wallet to buy crypto with, in my opinion, is Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. Is ETH a good buy at 3,300? I think ETH is going to $15,000 this cycle within a year. So yes. You think DOT stays above 30 this month? It depends, because I could see DOT continuing to pump the way that Solana did. And if so, maybe it'll go up to $60 or something like that, you know? The month the bull run ends is sometime between November of this year and May of next year. Again, I am live on YouTube. Loopering, I don't know enough. I'm live on YouTube. I am able to answer every question there. Go to World War Bitcoin on YouTube. Thoughts on Atom? Atom is like Quant, but not as good, but it still offers similar things. I could see Atom hitting $100 this year. So Arsenal fan for 20. Oh, sorry, man. Listen, here's the thing. I'll say I've been a Manchester City fan for about 10 years. And when I make fun of other teams, it's like, I know for you guys, it's like really, really deep in you. For me, it's not. So sorry about that. When will ETH and Bitcoin be at its lowest next so I can buy in for the first time? I really don't know. But if you see Bitcoin go to its 20-week simple moving average, I would say that's the time to buy. So Dogecoin, I don't know enough, sorry. You think Quant will get to 10K this decade? I do, yeah. All right, let's see. Do you think Bitcoin will get back to $49,500 in the next week? I would say no, but CVO Crypto says yes, and I trust his judgment on that. I think he would say yes. Pepcoin, I don't know enough. Is that Pep Guardiola coin? Because then it's like yes to the moon. You think Radium and SRM? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know enough about either of those. So is EOS dead? It's pretty close to dead. I think so. Voyager referral code ALE749 for those of you asking. You say 15K Bitcoin this cycle. Yeah, by May at the latest. So Quant to 30K plus. Who knows, man? 20-week simple moving average. Sorry for any figure. It's at around a little over 42,000 right now. Is there a way to know when the bull run will end, or will it be a quick crash like in May? It shouldn't be as quick as what happened in May. That was a super major combination of FUD that entered the system between Elon and China. But the way that you'll be able to tell is when you see things like pumping like crazy. That's when you should be very concerned. When you see 1,000 people on this live stream, yeah, 15K for Ethereum this cycle, yeah, not Bitcoin. When you see 1,000 people on the TikTok live stream, there's 214 right now. When you see 1,000 people on here, that's when you get nervous. Okay, so thank you, Ashan. Thank you so much for that gift. We will know more about Quant when it goes through a bear market. Absolutely, another day. And the more I think about it, the more I'm convinced that Quant will go down when everything else goes down. So maybe not by a ton. Alchemy Pay, don't know enough. Will Ethereum Classic recover all-time high? Yeah. Buy it in April and it's crashed. Oh no. Thoughts on Matic? Please don't spam. I love Matic for short and medium term at least. We'll see about long term. Probably long term too. $8 or something this cycle. XRP $8 to $10. Is Matic a good buy at the moment? I would say so. AMP. I have a lot of Litecoin. Parabolic Crypto told me it's garbage. Thoughts? It's not garbage. I mean, it's not the best. It's a little antiquated. But again, I am in it for the short term, for medium term. So I'm not a huge fan of Litecoin, but trust me, I'm in it because it's going to pump in comparison to Bitcoin. Can I buy SafeMoon on Voyager? I don't think you can. You can buy Shiba on Voyager. AMP again to $1. So let's see. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now. I am able to answer every question there, but not on TikTok. Honest thoughts on Engine? Really, I'm waiting to see. I don't know. East conservative price target end of next year. Next year, that's a very difficult one to predict because ETH could continue to pump throughout the bear market. Honestly, it could. So, use my code and didn't get no Bitcoin. All right. I mean, maybe it takes a little bit. I don't know, but lots of people have used my code and gotten Bitcoin. So figure it out for yourself. Thank you, El Puño. Want to pick some VXV. I don't know where to get VXV. I don't own any. Vet to $1 this cycle. So Pancake Swap returns. What about it? For me, I'm staking it. It's at like 89% now. So 2025 ETH price again is I think between $50,000 and $100,000. BNB XRP. I like them both. BNB 4 figures. XRP $8 to $10. Thank you, Mr. Caesar. Sorry. Bitcoin is my favorite cryptocurrency of all time, and I think it's going to go to $200,000 this cycle. You have to buy $100 of crypto. I'd put it in Ethereum. Oh, to kick off promo. Okay, never mind. Cardano price prediction, $8. Takes 3 to 7 days to get free Bitcoin. There we go. Referral code again for Voyager, ALE749. You find value in looking up if a coin is -% below its all-time high. That's one thing that I take into consideration, and so that's why I would say, like, I think Polkadot is about half of its all-time high. I think it's going to go back to its all-time high, at least. Do you think Solana can hit 400 of the cycle? I mean, now I do. I've been saying for months now that Solana would get to $200. I think it's a little bit late to invest in Solana. Missed what you said about EOS. I think you asked if it was dead, or somebody asked if it was dead, and I said it might be. I don't think it's going back to its 2017 high or 2018 high. ETH end of next year. Yeah, I answered that. Fees on Voyager less than Binance. I think so. I like it. So thoughts on VeChain? It's a top 10 for me. And I would say VeChain to $1. I don't care that it hasn't done much over the last 3 or 4 months. I'm still very bullish. AVAX, I mean, you're stuck in it. Does that mean you bought it recently? I would not say IOTA is dead. Litecoin's down 3x from all-time high. There's another one that I'm like, okay, it's at least going back to its all-time high. Is Picoin a scam? It might be, but I don't know. How low will Solana hit again? I have no idea. Will it go under $100? I could see it going under $100. Yeah. Cesar, hello. What do you know about Engine Coin? I did a little bit of research on it and I was like kind of bored. So nothing, not enough. Best short-term play to build trading capital and best trading indicators. I'm not much of a short-term guy. If you want short-term plays, and this is not sarcastic at all, check out Crypto Weatherman. He's the man. When it's stuff, I am a buyer and a holder. So, Link 5-year prediction, 1,000. I don't know. Thank you, Stanley. Really appreciate that. But when can it go up? If so, can I get a shot of it for SHIB? I think it's going to be a few. I think close to the end, very close to the end. Shiba Inu and SafeMoon, things like that will pump. All right, yeah, cool stuff on the web. I see your comment about Litecoin. Easiest way to buy XRP. If you're in the United States, it's Uphold. Or you could get an XRP pegged token on Trust Wallet. XRP 5-year prediction, no idea. I'm sorry. Can Link really hit a K this decade? Yeah. Solana prediction, I've been saying for months, $200. It seems like that's conservative. I haven't thought about it since then. What's up, Mr. Mobility? End of the cycle between November and November and May of this year. When Pablo calls Bitcoin Beta coin, how does it make you feel? Sexy. I don't know. So hold Doge. Yeah, I'd say hold Doge. Hey GQ, Pancake Bunny. Not the token. I've used the platform for staking. It's fine. I did say Telos was going up. Yeah, still not paying attention to it. Crow price predictions like 50 cents. When's bear market going to start? Sometime like after you see things pumping like crazy. I'm all good, Mr. Mobility. Yeah. You think it could end in November? I think it could. We'll see. Maybe December. This Rich Wilson, I'll probably sell about half my portfolio in preparation for the next cycle. I don't do Bitcoin mining, no. Hello, Jay Brad. You think there will be another drop off? Will be a drop off in September. I've been saying that since June at least. So thank you for that gift there. So I think so, but now I'm noticing that like a lot of people are saying the same thing, which makes me think, here's the one thing that's always in my mind is like the whales. If they see that everyone is expecting a drop in September, they're gonna find that buying opportunity. They're just gonna pounce on it and send it much higher. They might. Does market cap matter for XRP? Oh man, that's an interesting question. I would say yes, but XRP nuts, they're crazy. They say market cap doesn't matter. So what price go for FTM? No idea, sorry. VXV, again, I need to do more research on VXV. I don't know enough. 400% in a month, wow. Is XRP going to soar? It depends on who you ask. There are lots of people who I trust who say it's going to soar. So Kusama, where's Kusama at price-wise? $400. I know that Kusama's really hot right now, but it's still not at its all-time high. At least it'll go back to its all-time high, but, I could see it 4 figures. George Costanza method, it could do the opposite, yeah. I've been in crypto since 2013. Thank you, Mr. Caesar. How to invest 50K? I would invest 35% of that in Ethereum, 25% in Bitcoin, spread the rest out. Chainlink, Solana, Polkadot, Theta, Maker, VeChain, XRP. I don't do Bitcoin mining. Which large caps should we sell? I'm not selling really. I would not sell any of my large caps yet. Yes, run amok. I do think DOT will hit $49 before the bear market. I think it's going to hit $200. Algorand price prediction $7. I don't know who Brad Garlinghouse is. Yeah, XRP Army Nut saying 10K. Yep. Stocks. Yeah, but I knew Jay Brad. I knew that this year was going to be a big year for crypto. So I'm 90% in crypto. VET to 80 cents. Yeah, I think that's possible. Liquidity. Don't know enough. AMP $1. Can ETH overtake Bitcoin? I think it's very likely that ETH will be the biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. But Bitcoin will still go on. I'm certain of it. Top 3, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. Do I respect David Schwartz? I don't know who that is. Ethereum had a glitch in it and Telos sorted it. Yeah, they had a fork, an unexpected fork. But it's all good now. So I don't bet sports. Nope. Does Bitcoin look like it going up today? It's just kind of meh today. Solana going down. What do you think? No, I think it just shot up way too hot. So yeah, liquidity. Everyone's sleeping on liquidity. I have no idea what it is, so I guess I am. If you're a long-term holder, why did you just say you sell half your position? I'm a long-term hold for certain cryptos, Mac. I am a long-term holder for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR, and probably Quant. But everything else I'm selling. Can Solana take over? No, I don't think Solana is going to overtake ETH. Nope. Bake, not really paying attention to Bake. How do you start? Download an app like Voyager. Get in. Big 2 end of decade, ETH and Quant. Maybe. Top 5, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Well, those are my long terms at least. What is low cap gem we should invest in? I'm not really in low cap gems all that much. But I don't know. Honestly, the lowest cap gem, other than like some meme coins, lowest cap one that I have is probably Quant. Do you know why Quant suddenly 2x'd recently? Because Quant's the honey badger. Quant does what Quant does. Cleveland Browns to the Super Bowl only when I got to go to the bathroom. When will Bitcoin hit 1 million? It could potentially do it in the middle of the decade, at the latest at the end of the decade. So, waiting to dump my Doge. What's a good price? I think it's going to go back to its all-time high. I mean, I still think $1 for Doge. So, I am definitely a believer in quant. Yep. Did you used to be long-term hold on Solana? I've never been a long-term holder of Solana. And honestly, like, I'm going to be buying a lot of Solana and a lot of quant during the bear market. I hope Solana dumps like crazy when it's all done, because I will be loading up. I think Solana will be where where the ETH price is right now, 4 years from now. Top 5 alts. I mean, if you want to count Ethereum, no, I won't count Ethereum. So Solana, Chainlink, HBAR, Quant, and one more, Binance. So ADA taking over ETH, I don't think so. Should I give up on SHIB? No. Why did Quant go up so much suddenly? It's fruitless trying to predict Quant. Thoughts on Kusama? Is Quant, I mean, are you saying like right now that it's gone up a lot? Because I don't think it has. Kusama makes sense. I mean, their partnership with Polkadot, no, not Quant today. Being able to test out, etc. Ooh, 26 BitBoy, 26 during the bear market. I would cry tears of joy. Oh, the recent 2.5x. Okay. AR, no prediction. What's AR? Could Quant crash to 0? I don't think so. If so, I'll just take all of it for free. Which all do you think will have the highest return this bull cycle? Probably something I've never heard of. So I'm not going to do top 10. Sorry, I just named my top 5 altcoins. Bitcoin and Ethereum would be in my top 10 as well. How do you invest in crypto exchanges? I mean, most of them have tokens. So most of them, like, you know, Binance, BNB Coin, Crypto.com has Crow. Celsius has CEL. Rarible has Rari. Voyager has VGX. B Pro price prediction higher, but I don't do it. So dip in September still predicted. Yeah. But listen, I'm not saying that with 100% confidence, and I'm not saying that with even 75% confidence. I would say more than 50-50 is my opinion. Polkadot price prediction, $200 or so. Quant to the moon, yeah. Celo is a gem. I don't know enough. Why is Binance a big one for you? Because it seems more secure? No, just there are certain features with it. Well, first of all, Binance is taking over the world, man. It's like they own CoinMarketCap.com. They're spreading out big time, and I think it's going to really pay off for them. But then they also offer a bunch of cryptos, and their fees are low. I mean, you look at Binance fees in comparison to Ethereum gas fees, it's night and day difference. It's pennies, you know? So what happens if NFTs become a big thing on Binance instead of instead of, you know, like OpenSea? I think it's going to be huge. XYO price prediction, I don't even know where XYO is right now. I haven't paid attention, even though I have a lot of it. So token and coin. A coin. So Ethereum is a coin. Everything that is built on Ethereum's platform is a token. So can you use Binance in US? Yeah, Binance.us. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube. Dean and Vance, I feel like you've probably heard me say not to sell, because what if I'm wrong? I said, again, a little higher than 50-50, you know, a little higher than 50-50 confidence that we're going to go to the 20-week simple moving average. So why would you gamble like that? I would say just hold. Can we use Binance here? I don't know anyone in the USA that uses it. I mean, Binance.us you can. I don't actually use Binance. I mean, I use Trust Wallet, which has a lot of the same features. According to you, are we in a bear or bull market? I think we're in a bull market for sure. Back from a ban, Crypto Mailman, what's up? All right, thoughts on AMP? Yeah, I mean, I've done enough research on AMP that I'm very confident about it. It's exciting to me. I think it'll hit $1. I think that functionally that they fill a need. So you're welcome, GQ. Binance is back up in UK. Excellent, good. When do you think is a good time to get back in the market? Wait, if you see a dip. All right, I'm going to look at XYO. Then that will be a good time. Like if you see Bitcoin get to its 20-week simple moving average, that'll be a good time. All right, 1.61 cents. Wow. Yeah, I really need to do something about that because I don't even know how much XYO I own. See, Decentraland, Mana, Gaming makes sense. Very bullish. ALBT don't know enough. XLM $2 to $3, something like that. Load up on 5K from the Cream fiasco. I have no idea what you're talking about. Crypto Zoo, nothing. Do you know of Alchemy Pay? All I know is it got listed on Coinbase and it pumped, and so I would say stay away for another week or two. How is it possible to get 80% APR for cake? Seems too good to be true. It's one of those things where whenever they launch something, they start with high APR, and the more people get into it, the more it goes down. So it's not going to stay 80% forever. But for now, it works for them. They do also burn a lot with every transaction. So it's one of those things. It's like eventually it'll equalize itself out. So XRP in trouble again? Not that I've heard. Litecoin thoughts. I made a video on Litecoin last week. I think it's going to outperform Bitcoin. It's a really big short-term play for me. Top 5 and price prediction. Bitcoin 200,000, Ethereum 15,000, Binance 1,500 maybe. What else? HBAR $2, Chainlink $200. Loading up on Mana. Cool. Thank you, E. Davidson. What's up, E. Davidson? All right. Thanks, Board Surfer. Good. Thank you for using my code. Let's see. Got an amp. Flexa got pulled into because of Cream. Hold on. Man, I haven't paid attention to that. I only own like $500 of amp. So let's see. HBAR, yeah, $2. What about NAFTR? I don't know what that is. What's Bitcoin's SMA? The 20-week SMA is like 42.3 or something like that. When do you think Litecoin will reach all-time high again? October. Philip, hello. Good to see you again. All right. Welcome back. Glad you're back. Heard it's the next NFT social media platform. Something is the next. Oh, NAFTR. Okay. Yeah. I'll look into that. Bitcoin moving average, a 20-week simple moving average. I think we're going to flirt with that sometime this month. Sibo, Clarence, what's up, man? I'm good. Good to see you too. When to take Litecoin profits. You see it go up like this, take profits along the way. I do not want a single Litecoin. Not a single Litecoin throughout the bear market. But on the way up, I'll be riding that hot. Not a fan of ADA. I mean, why would I be a huge fan of ADA? I mean, all right, okay, it's one of those things. If they do half the things that they say they're going to do, then yeah, they'll be great. But they're a meme coin right now. Sorry, they're a meme coin. Colorado Blue, good to see you. Yeah, I've been slacking a little bit lately. I didn't go live yesterday. I was too busy, and I had a dentist appointment. All right, you can buy Hex on Trust Wallet. And then Friday, I went live for like 20 minutes. I just wasn't feeling it. So I'm new to crypto. When do I know when to sell? You see things go like this, Hades, pump it or sell it. A few days ago, there was a flash loan to liquidate a lot of AMP. Oh, all right. How often do I go live? I try to go live Monday through Friday. So yeah, ADA is overhyped. One day ADA could be a behemoth. I mean, it is now, but it's just like, why is it a behemoth now? There's no reason why it should be. So, oh man, I got a text. Let me see something here. Is there nothing new on TikTok? Yeah, I guess so. How high will Litecoin get in October? I don't know. I mean, October's not the big month, Warriors. I'm convinced that we're not going to be done in October, so it could go much higher after that. So what's up, GQ? Ruben? All right, have a good one, Ruben. When to buy if I have money but no crypto? You start today. Today. I mean, yesterday was the best day. Today's the second best day. So buy, but don't go all in now. Just buy some. I didn't understand the word you said about ADA. What does it mean? What, meme coin? That means it's like I lump it in with SafeMoon and with Shiba Inu, you know, because I want a coin with an actual function. So Will ADA pump before the 12th of September? Maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's even going to be worth, like maybe it's already priced in, you know? Is it worth holding AMP? I think so. Shiba Inu, I hate it, but listen, I think it's going to go back to its all-time high this year. ETH end of year, within a year, $15,000. VXV again, don't know enough. You said that September is a bear market, but you said that October will pump. I wouldn't call September a bear market. I think we're going to see a dip in September. And the early September correction is still going to happen. It's one of those things. Will it be early? Will it be late? I just think sometime in September, we're going to see a dip down to the 20-week simple moving average. Which coins am I holding long-term? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Behemoth. Leviathan and Behemoth. VeChain, a good coin. I think so. Top 10 for me. $1 this cycle. Crow, 50 cents. Mooncoin to infinity and beyond. Dan Cohen, the CEO of GameStonks, is in the house. All right, what do you think of this strategy? Hold long-term Ethereum, HBAR, Quant, HLM, AMP, and take profits for ADA and Litecoin. That's not a bad idea, Sebastian. Yeah. I mean, you've got 3 of my big ones there, so let's see. Quant will be long-term. We'll see about it. So I want to see what even a bear market looks like for Quant. What 2 or 3 coins would you buy in the next couple of weeks for good return? Man, that's a tough one. That's really tough. Quant would be one of them. Thoughts on XLM? Is it XRP's main competitor? I wouldn't even say that they're competitors, honestly. Like XRP's big with like institutional banking. Quant's going to be big, XLM's going to be big for individuals in poor country, third world countries who don't have access to banking. So let's see. VeChain next cycle thoughts? Nah, sorry. You still think 1K for Litecoin? I think minimum 1K. I think much higher than that. Or not much higher. I think higher than 1K. You think Shiba will hit? No, I don't think Shiba's ever going to hit a penny. Oh, XLM. Okay. XLM. Yeah, I see you, Sebastian. Yeah, Alchemy, really don't know enough. Sorry. Feeling better after the surgery? Yes. I wouldn't really call it surgery, but XRP short or long term? Yes to both. I mean, I think it's going to hit $8 this cycle. Thoughts on Crow? I like it a lot. I think Crypto.com is going to be in existence for a very long time, and so that'll be good for their coin. ALBT, don't know enough, sorry. Yeah, I mean, it was just I had a chipped tooth, and they fixed it. That's all. It wasn't anything big. Probably the most uncomfortable thing is that the dentist had his hand like right here, if you can see that, and I have a really sensitive neck, but the pain, whatever, I don't care about the pain. Solana has pumped a lot. I would stay away for the short term, but I love Solana. Do you think XRP will go back down under $1? Yes. I was hoping that it would pump before the end of the month, and it hasn't yet, so I could see it going down. Bitcoin Cash is trash. Thoughts on gaming industry coins? Yeah, gaming, man, gaming's the future. NFTs make sense with gaming. So, favorite college football team? I don't know. Maybe Ohio State. Got ETH at 1,700. Should I sell and then wait for another dip or hold? I would say take some profits, but I wouldn't sell all of it and wait for a dip. No, I just hold on. Cosmos and Zcash thoughts. Don't know enough about Zcash. Cosmos is great. I own a decent amount of Cosmos. I'd rather own Quant, but so I go all in on ETH with 50K. That's probably the one that I'm most confident in that you would see phenomenal returns. But, should I go all in with anything? My answer is nah. How about no? How about you get some, dollar cost average your way in, get a few other cryptos. Anyway, all right. Good price to buy Luna this dip in September. I don't know. I mean, it's at 31.83 right now. Is it going to go down that much more? Luna's been doing very well. If it went to 25, I'd be like, buy Luna. All right. AVAX, EGLD, Theta, Algo, Chiliz. Man, I mean, that's a lot. How about, yes. All right. I like Polkadot. I like AVAX. I like Elrond. I like Theta. I like Algorand. I'm not a huge fan of Chiliz. I like Aave and I like Atom. So would today be a good day to get into Litecoin? I would wait a little bit. Bitcoin Cash and ETH Classic both trash. I remember Neo was a good coin. 1718 is it dead? I haven't looked at Neo in a little bit. Last time I looked at it, that might have been one that I was like, yeah, it's kind of dead. When does end of cycle? Between November of this year and May of next year, in my opinion. AMP, I've talked a lot about AMP. I like it. BitBoy thinks institutions will limit Bitcoin to 100K this year and 250K in 2024. Do you believe that? No, I don't. 100K this year, yeah, maybe. But I still think 200K. 2024, there's no way they're going to be able to limit it. It's just there's too much. There's not going to be enough Bitcoin to go around at that time. Like, you're not going to be able to buy Bitcoin on an exchange. So, Parachute, I don't know what Parachute is. Speaking of BSC NFTs, what do you think of SGO, Sport and Mongo? They're marketing to the 99%, making deals with major sporting orgs, i.e. no PooCoin ads, but they sponsored the last Jake Paul fight. I mean, that all sounds great. Fine-tuned photography. I really haven't looked into SGO. Any reason / news for ETH jump today? I think it's just, it's time. It's time for ETH to jump. Sorry. Wrong tube. All right. Thought on Omi. I like Omi. Yeah, no vodka. Just went down the run tube. Okay, you know Ohio State's defensive coordinator. Cool. Yeah, don't die now. I'm good. That was just a little rough. Been holding since 2017. Would you move your link into Bitcoin? I would say no. What's your number pump and sell for this cycle? I'm not sure what you're saying, Rich. But I'm hoping to hit $1 million. I think I will. You think the bear markets will be much shorter going forward? I think it'll go shorter. Yeah. Top crypto picks to survive the coming bear market: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Will Solana go to 500 plus? It could. I would say don't buy Solana right now. But sorry, I'm not going to be able to respond to every question on TikTok. But on YouTube, follow me on YouTube. I am able to respond there. Only holding ETH and Quant long term. I think you'll do well. More of thoughts. Don't know enough about that. When are you making a video about how you got your business going and how it's doing? I don't know. One day. That's not on my radar. Why take profits into stable coins instead of GIAT? What's GIAT? AGIX price to prediction? I don't know. All right. Yeah. See you nets up. Why not buy Solana now? Because it's 4x'd in 45 days. I think that's a good reason to not buy it. Any good buys right now? Not really. I just want to see, fiat. Why take profits into stable coins instead of fiat? Because with stable coins, like on Voyager, I can get 9% returns on my stable coins. So why, if I had $500,000 into stable coins, which I'm hoping to do, throughout the bear market, that's like $45,000 of passive income a year. So, all right, YouTube, let's see. Are you still predicting a dip in early September? I'm not sure if it's going to be early or mid. I just think there will be a dip in September. So, been holding. Oh yeah, I answered that one. Want to stack Crow? Which option is better on DeFi wallet? Probably on Crypto.com. I'm not sure if you're entirely what you're saying. So, what's a good price to buy Litecoin at? You see it under 150, I'd say buy. Dot looking hyped up. What do you think? I think that if Bitcoin doesn't dump, that we could continue to see Dot pump because it looks like it's the next one, the next one that's due to pump. Do you think Link is due for a big jump soon? Nah, Link doesn't do big jumps all that much, but I think it'll pump. Like, it'll go higher. Ray, don't know enough. Get into Atari token. Okay. Building a metaverse game. All right. 20% dip. That's possible. Yeah. AMP honestly seems like a decent buy. Yeah. What do you think of Pi, the coin you mine on your phone? Is it actually going to be worth something one day? That's the thing I'm trying to figure out. I have no idea. Crow DeFi wallet at 12% right now. There you go. Yeah. When's a good time to jump into Litecoin? If you see Bitcoin go down to its 20-week simple moving average. Am I a millionaire now? No, I'm not yet. I'm getting there. I mean, between business and crypto investments. Best crypto exchange and coin for passive income. I mean, for right now, I'm loving Pancake Swap and the cake token. Got even now. When would you start to take profits on DOT? Oh man, not now, because I could see DOT continuing to pump. Quant a bargain out 184. Yeah, I think so. Wallet for Solana ecosystem. I don't know. I just have my Solana on Coinbase. Best crypto exchange and coin for passive income. Oh yeah, I answered that. Is that a good idea to put my money in wallet? And if yes, which one? If you're looking for security, I mean, Coinbase, you're going to be fine. Gemini, Exodus. So, oh, Dean and Bance, I am gonna be done soon. So, yeah, 600 cake feels amazing. Nice. All right. I am pretty much done right now. So, follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Yeah, I know DOT's below its all-time high still. And follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I think it's still a good time to buy cake, yeah. I see punks will be worth anything, I don't know. Follow me on Instagram, World War Bitcoin. But I'm done. I'm still feeling it from that drink going in the wrong tube. Mario, that's a good question for Mario on YouTube. All right, I'm done on TikTok. If there's no dip in September, bull run tops will begin earlier, question mark. I think so. And the reason why I think so is because I'm really curious to see, like, once we break through that all-time high at $64,900, it's going to be one of those things where it's like, how long will we have until we shoot up higher? I mean, let me pull up 2013 if I'm able to. Yeah, I'll do it on the Pi cycle indicator. I need to look that up anyway. Pi cycle indicator. All right, 2013. All right, when we broke through that all-time high in 2013, which was $213.72, October 22nd, there was a few days of consolidation, but man, after breaking through that all-time high, it was off to the races, man. And so will it be that intense? I don't think so. But what happens... Let's say we do that in September. What happens if we break through the all-time high in September? I could see... I see a scenario. I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I see a scenario where all of a sudden we're like, all right, it's over. But I don't think it's going to break through that all-time high in September. I'm thinking more like October, and I think it'll be not a climb like that. I mean, that's over a span of 2 weeks. It quintupled in 2 weeks. No way. 3 weeks, something like that. Maybe a month or so after that. 2 months. Maybe it'll do something like that. We'll see. All right. I am also going to be done on YouTube. But thank you all for joining me. I've been having trouble with YouTube. but I got a Wi-Fi range extender, so hopefully I won't have any more trouble with connection issues. But see you all later.